Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to own a private jet? Is it just the price tag of the jet itself, or is there a whole lot more going on behind the scenes? Today, we're breaking down the true cost of owning and operating a private jet. And some of these numbers might shock you. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments. If money was no object, would you rather own your own jet, or just charter one when you need it? Private jets are often seen as the ultimate symbol of wealth and freedom. You can fly where you want, when you want, and avoid the hassle of long security lines. But behind the glamour, there are some jaw-dropping expenses most people never think about. So let's take a look at what it actually costs to buy, run, and maintain your very own private jet. First up, the jet itself. The price depends on the size, the range, and the level of luxury. A small light jet, like a Cessna Citation, can cost around $3 to $10 million. A mid-sized jet, like a Challenger 350, will set you back $15 to $25 million. And for the big players, like a Gulfstream G700 or a Bombardier Global 7500, you're looking at $60 to $75 million or more. And remember, some custom jets, like a converted Boeing 747, can reach hundreds of millions of dollars. Quick question for you. If you could pick any private jet model, which one would you choose? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to see your answers. Buying the jet is just the beginning. You'll also need a crew. A captain's salary averages around $150,000 to $200,000 per year. A first officer? Around $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Add in flight attendants for larger jets, and suddenly crew costs can reach $500,000 annually. Now, where do you keep your jet? Renting hangar space at a busy airport can cost anywhere from $50,000 to $200,000 per year, depending on location. Insurance adds another $30,000 to $50,000 per year, just to make sure your multi-million-dollar jet is covered. Here's the big one: fuel. Private jets burn through thousands of dollars in fuel every single flight. A single trip across the Atlantic can easily cost $40,000 to $50,000 in fuel alone. Then there's maintenance. Jets require constant inspections, new parts, and servicing. Expect $500,000 to $1 million per year in maintenance costs. So when you add it all up, crew, hangar, fuel, insurance, and maintenance, the average annual operating cost of a private jet can range from $700,000 for a small jet to well over $4 million for a long-range heavy jet. And that doesn't even include the original purchase price. So, is owning a private jet worth it? For billionaires, maybe it's just pocket change. But for most people, chartering a jet when you need it is far more practical. Now I want to hear from you. If you had unlimited money, would you buy your own jet? Or would you rather charter one whenever you need to fly? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more aviation content, and check out my other videos on the fascinating world of flight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the skies.